Nothing like a nice drive to the gym.
The reason that I'm awake is, well, first, I don't know. And second, all of the other 5:30 a.m. people are gonna see me being awake and alive, and they're gonna look at each other and they're gonna say, she's like us. And then they're gonna go on their hikes and they're gonna say, and she's about to go on her hike too. And she's responsible and smart. Okay, so long story short, it's not morning anymore. I'm back at Walmart for like the 4th time this week to try to find a plant, because I've somehow conveniently come here like 3 different days this week as soon as their garden section closes. So I'm here today before it closes.